Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nikat Sana, and in today's video I'm going to explain simple present tense. Simple present tense. The simple present tense is one of the most common verb tenses in English. We use it to talk about habits, facts, routines, and general truths. When do we use the simple present tense? Simple present tense has many uses, but in this video I am going to mention 4 of them. First, we use simple present tense when we talk about habits and routines. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock. She drinks coffee every morning. Here we use the base form of the verb like wake up and drinks when we talk about habits or routines. Second, general truths or facts, that is also called universal facts. So, when we talk about facts or general truths, we use simple present tense, like the sun rises in the east, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Can we change them? No, of course not, because they are facts. So, whenever we talk about facts, we use simple present tense. Third, permanent situations. We use simple present tense when we talk about permanent situations, not temporary situations. For example, he lives in London. They work in a hospital. 4. Schedules or timetables. We use simple present tense when we talk about timetables. For example, the train leaves at 9 p.m. My class starts at 8:30. Number 2. Forming the simple present tense. So how do we use the verbs in simple present tense? Remember, when our subjects are plural, like I, you, we, they, we use the simple form of the verb. For example, I play football, you play football, we play football, they play football. But when we use the singular subjects like he, she, it, we add s or es at the end of the verbs like he plays football, she watches TV, it rains a lot in winter. Number 3. Negative forms. How to change a positive sentence into negative one. We just add don't or doesn't. When our subjects are plural, we add don't. Don't is the shortcut of do not. For example, I don't like pizza. They don't speak Spanish. But when our subjects are singular, like he, she, it, we add doesn't. For example, she doesn't eat meat. It doesn't work. Number 4. Questions. There are 2 types of questions that we can use in simple present tense. The very first one is yes-no question. With yes-no question, we have to answer the questions with yes or no. And these kind of questions will start with do or does. We use do with plural subjects and we use does with singular subjects. For example, do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does he play football? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. The second one is WH questions, which start with what, where, when, and etc. For example, where do you live? What does she do? Number 5. Key notes. The notes that you have to always bear in your mind. First, always add s or es when the subject is singular, like he, she, it. Use do or does for negative and questions. Number 3. It's used for habits, facts, timetables, and permanent situations. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends.